Got hundreds of old Claude AI chats cluttering your sidebar? Here's how to clear them all. Open Claude AI and look at your chat list on the left. To delete a single chat, hover over it and click the three dots. Then click Delete. Confirm when asked. But if you've got dozens of chats, that gets old fast. Here's the faster way. Click your profile icon at the bottom left. Click Settings. Go to the Account tab. Scroll down until you see Delete All Chats. Click it. You'll get a warning that this action can't be undone. If you're sure, click Confirm to proceed. Wait a few seconds while Claude wipes everything. Once it's done, your sidebar will be empty. All conversations gone. A few things to know before you do this. First, deleted chats can't be recovered, so if you want to keep any, export them first using the Data Export option in the same Settings tab. Second, this only deletes chats. Your account, memory, and projects stay untouched. If you also want to reset Claude's memory after this, check my other video on resetting memory. That's how you clear out every chat in one go. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Claude tutorials.